Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Daisy for those who don't know me, and those who are returning, thank you so much for your support. I want to ask you that if you find this video fun and entertaining, give me a thumbs up, click the notification bell, and don't leave today without subscribing to my channel. Thank you so much. And today, as you see in the title, I'm going to be unboxing these Mary Jane flat canvas shoes from the company Hot Chocolate Design, and these are in the notebook. So I ordered these because I found them so cute. I work in a Christian school, and I thought that these would be so much fun to wear on those days that I want to be a little funky with the kids and that we do a little bit of dress up and whatnot. And these are in the notebook design. Wait till you see these. These are so cute. I ordered them online and they came through Amazon. And a regular plastic bag, and wait till you see the box. And I promise you this is a true unboxing. I have not opened them yet. I did peekaboo inside of the box, but I have not opened them at all. So I want to show you right here right now as I unbox them. We'll see them together. Wait till you see the box. It's so cute. Look at this, you guys. Oh my god, this is such a cute Chocolaticas. Chocolaticas is the company, okay? So they are made out of canvas, and here in the box it says a little bit of the history of this company. Yeah, this is the actual shoebox itself, and it looks like a container of chocolate milk, and it's so cute. And as I said, I did peekaboo, but I did not take them out. And you open them from the bottom, and as you open it, it brings you a, oh, this is so cute. It brings you the certificate of authenticity. Okay, it says it in the back. So adorable. We're gonna open this together. A silica gel. All right, ready? Look how cute. It came wrapped in like a tissue, but it's actually like a cloth tissue paper with the branding on it. You guys, tell me this is not adorable. Look at this shoe, you guys. So pretty. They're both different. Let me show you one at a time. So this would be the notebook, the white notebook with the lines, and it's a Mary Jane style, so I can wear them with dresses. I can wear them with jeans, with different kind of, has the branding here also. That's the back. The other side, the front, and the sole. It's so cute. It has the branding under the sole as well. And these, I have a tiny foot, and these are size 5. Okay, and this one has more silica, and it has the little Chocolaticas little branding card on it. And this one is your notebook, the black and white notebook. And this is the side. They made in canvas, and this is the branding little thing. So cute. And again, these are size 5 because I have tiny feet. I will also at the end of the video try them on for you, so I'll do some mod shots for you. I just think, and this is a real Mary Jane, which you tie right here. All right, so it has, you know, a working buckle. It's not a Velcro or anything like this. It's literally a working buckle. I think the attention to detail from the packaging with this company to the cloth tissue paper to the certificate, or it's like a little magnet, I think, or maybe just a little charm that says the certificate of authenticity. I think all these little details are so amazing and so cute. Chocolaticas is the branding, and then this box, come on guys, like you could almost want to open it up here. It doesn't open, by the way, it's sealed right up here, but I think that from the packaging to this amazing shoes, and they have a lot of variety in the website. I'll link the website down below in the description box so you can go ahead and see. They also have them in Amazon, by the way. These shoes are adorable, and let's jump right into the mod shots. And so this company is called a Hot Chocolate Design and is also known as Chocolaticas, and these are made in Venezuela. This company was inspired from their own lifestyle, their passion for collecting vintage items, and certain nostalgia for all the things that made them feel happy and comfortable when they were young. So these are designs that are made from the two individuals, Mr. Pablo and Carolina from Venezuela, from the company Hot Chocolate Design. So as you saw, these shoes fit me perfect on my feet, and like I said, I think I can wear these with jeans. It would look really, really cute, and a white tee or black and white tee, and I'm gonna try and find a shirt or a t-shirt that has this kind of design and this kind of design, so I can, you know, wear it with the shoes. But these are very good quality shoes, very nicely made. I think they are worth the coin, and these are amazing little shoes that I'll be wearing for work. And as far as I can see, it's kind of hard inside, but I can put some inserts in there and make it a little softer in the sole. But yeah, this was the quick unboxing of these beautiful Mary Jane flat shoes from the company Chocolaticas. And if you stood until the end, I thank you, and I ask you that if you found this video fun, entertaining in any way, give me a thumbs up, click the notification bell, and don't leave without subscribing to my channel today. Thank you so much. God bless you. God keep you. And until next time, ciao. Do you speak anything?